Let's walk through how to set up a Firebase project and provide access to other users. First, I want to mention that we have documentation on our website, mobiloud.com/docs, where you can find more details about registering and inviting users. So be sure to check that out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Go ahead and go to console.firebase.google.com, and on that page, click Get Started with a Firebase project. From there, go ahead and enter your project name. In this case, I'm just going to use some default text here. These buttons here should be a default. You also will see some options to check below. Go ahead and leave those checked and then click Continue. You're going to want to make sure that Google Analytics is linked to your Firebase project, so click that if it's not already checked, and then click Continue. From here, you're going to want to then link to the correct analytics account. So go ahead and select and then hit Create Project. Firebase is going to take some time to prepare your project, so we'll go ahead and wait until that is created. Once your project is ready, go ahead and click Continue. Now from here, you're going to want to provide access to other users. To do that, you're going to click this gear icon in the left sidebar, go to Users and Permissions. From here, you can click Add Member. It's going to ask for an email address, which role you'd like to provide, and then once you're finished, click Add Member. That person will then receive an email to join in that Firebase. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching.